This area here, my favorite forever, Japanese. You see that? My favorite salmon and sashimi tuna. There. Oh. Oh, you know. Siboli chon belly. You see that? Ganong kalutong. Oh. Diba? Yeah. Yan. Fried tangigi, teriyaki glaze, and a lot more. See there, just tell it to the chef para gawan ka. And then here, the same seafoods area naman here. You see that? Yan, let's go for the dim sums area naman here. Of fried rice, seafoods, noodles here. Alright, so ito ang kabuuan ng this buffet section here. So, this is 6:30 to 3 hours. 9, mga ganyan. Alright. All time favorite. Yeah. Let's eat. What's this? Patatas. Diba? Ayun. Paluto ka dyan. Ayan, this. What's this? Seafood. Seafoods again. Gusto mong magpaluto. This one, pork, creamy spinach. And then, beef. Dessert. There we go. Dessert.